A farmer has a rectangle field having length 230 meters and breadth 160 meters. He wants to fence it with 3 rounds of rope as shown. Okay, let me just take a second. Okay, it's something like this. Right? What is the total length of rope needed? So how do you figure it out? What is the structure we are looking at? Yes, first thing is we need to figure out that. So we're looking at a rectangle wherein the opposite sides are equal. Length is 230 meters and the breadth is 160 meters. So this is basically all a set of information that we know of, and also one more information actually. But yeah, you guys can figure it out. How do we go about doing this? What should we do? Yes, by default you should know that we have to find the perimeter, right? Because we are running the rope round the fence. We need to find the perimeter. What else should we do? What is this 3 rounds? How is that going to influence our answer? Because it's running it for 3 times, what will happen? This structure should be added 3 times. So 3 times in this entire answer. Basically, it's that. Okay, I hope you guys understood that. I mean, I'm going to work it out, but you should be able to imagine and you should be able to come to your own conclusion. So let's look at the working. So first we'll start off with perimeter. Okay, let me start off with this. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times the length. Again, it's left to you guys how you want to calculate it. I'll do another way. Length plus breadth. There's one more way of doing this. So this is one of it. So let's substitute the values. So this will give us 2 times the length is 230 plus 160. So the rule is that we need to add whatever is there inside the brackets. So this will be 390, right? I hope that's correct. Yes. So the 2 times of this is 40, 80, 780. So many meters. Don't forget the unit. So now, if I go 1 round, what is the length I'm covering? 780 meters. That's pretty decent. And that's a huge length actually. But I have to go 3 times. So, fencing 3 times, right? The total length is equal to 3 times the correct perimeter of the rectangle form. So let's substitute the value. Substitute the values. In this case, just one value, but it's okay. We can maintain the language. 3 times of 780. And this would be, actually I can do it, but 2340 meters. And that's our answer, as simple as that. Okay. So again, see, the entire funda is that key. Your perimeter has to do with sum of all the sides. Now, since we are going 3 times, 1, 2, and 3, something like that. Okay. Exactly happy with that. So I'm going once, again once, and once more. So I'm going 3 times. If I'm going around a fence or a field 3 times, means whatever happens for the first time, that has to be added 3 times. Like 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or if not, 3 into 2. So that's all you are doing, 3 times the perimeter of the given structure. And that happens to be 780. 3 times 780 is 2340. And that's the funda. Okay. So you can pause. Have a look.